Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach an Excel file to your email on Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as an Excel file. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this and wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go directly to Microsoft Outlook. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to top left corner, new email. Increase the size of the email window. Let's now select the recipient, which will be Rayhan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Add a subject, Excel file. Let's now go into the email and type Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached Excel file as per your request. Let's now go to a new desktop. Locate the Excel file which is on the desktop. Let's now click on the Excel file to open up the file on screen so we can then view what we will be attaching. And there we have it. Just a quick list of products and prices. Let's now quit Excel. Go back to the email. Let's now click on Insert, Attach File, Browser Computer. This should take us directly to the desktop. If not, click on Desktop and locate that file, products.xlsx. Click on Open. This should then attach to the email itself. We can now end the email via kind regards. Admin. Full stop. Let's now click on Send. This should now have sent to the recipient. Let's now go to the Sent items. Click on that sent email, Excel file, Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached Excel file as per your request. Kind regards, admin. If we were to, let's just say now click on the Excel file, this should open up on screen. We can also, if we need to, edit in browser, edit in Excel desktop app, save to OneDrive, copy or download, but that's all for a tutorial in the near future. Can I click on X? Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.